Hey beauties, welcome back to another Sprucenews video. So today I'm going to be doing a review and a makeup tutorial. This eye look right here using the Douce by Juvia's, which looks like this. And this is what the palette looks like inside. So you get 5 matte shades, 1 metallic shade, 1 jewel chrome shade and 2 shimmer shades. All the shades in here look very unique and very beautiful. It looks like the perfect palette for spring summer. Loads of different pops of colour which are very unique. I use this shade, this shade, this shade and this shade right here, so this L, and it was very interesting and very fun to create this eye look for you. So if you want to find out how I created this eye look right here and also get to my review, then keep on watching. So the first shade that I'm going to go in with is this one right here. This is called Cream, and I'm going to just take this into my crease and just buff that out as my base shade. Now that's done, I'm going to take a blending brush and dip into Custard, which is this really nice magenta pink shade. And I'm going to take that into my crease just to deepen that up. So start on the outer corner and just blend that in. Blends really nicely. It's a really nice shade. It's not normally a colour I would wear. It reminds me of is it Daphne from Scooby-Doo? That's the colour it reminds me of. Lovely. Very fresh. That's what I love about Juvia's Paste palettes. They're just so pigmented and they blend so well. Really nice. The lighter pink Cream, it's nice, but because it's such a light shade, it doesn't show up so well on my skin. So now that's done, I'm going to cut my crease. So I'm going to take a flat brush and the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. Now I'm going to dip back into the palette and take Mont Blanc, which is this gorgeous like tealy silvery colour shade, on a flat brush, and I'm going to just pat it over where I put the concealer. This is probably easier to apply with Fix Plus, but being that I've done the other one by cutting my crease, it's just easier to get the same look using the same technique. Now using the same shade, I'm going to dip in with my finger, like so, and I'm going to just apply it with my finger just because you'll get more pigmentation that way. It just applies so much better. I'm going to dip back into Custard and I'm going to put that into my outer corner again just to deepen that up, get rid of any harsh lines. And just finally go back over Mont Blanc one more time just to get rid of any of the custard shade that may have dropped into the shimmer. Now I'm going to take a small brush, dip it into Custard and put it underneath my lower lashes. I'm going to take a small pointed brush and some Prep and Prime. I'm going to dip it into Tarte, which is this shade right here. This is like a gorgeous dual chrome shade. It looks white in the palette, but it comes up quite a pinky colour. I'm just going to put this into my inner corner. I'm going to apply the rest of my makeup, and then I'll jump back on camera and show you the final look and give you my overall review. Guys, this is the overall look. Honestly, I love this palette. I think it performs so well. All the shades in here are really quite unique. Obviously you get your warm tones and your browns, but you also get like jewel chromes and shimmers that are not as popular in other different palettes that I own. And I think it's just such a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful palette. And I think for £20 it's very, very good, especially because the pan size itself they're massive, and you do get 9 shades within this palette as well. I love it. I would definitely recommend it. I think for the summertime this would be incredible, and yeah, I think it's a palette that would work for everyone as well. I think all the shades in here could really look great on any type of skin tone, which is so important, and I think it would just look amazing on anyone. So very, very happy, 100% would recommend this palette. I'll leave the link below where I got mine. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and review. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!